guys, what's up? When we last left off, I was teaching you guys how to do math in C Sharp, very basic math. Now remember that if we wanted to do addition, it would be the plus sign, subtraction, subtract sign, multiplication and asterisk, and division, slash. So again, we can also carry out multiple statements. So 5 plus 6, 6 divided by 4 times 32.5 times 58, 59, 78 minus 49. As you can see here, it will return it. I'm going to go ahead and space that. I would think it's never 49. So we get 2491. Now I didn't plan this. I'm just showing you you can do many statements there. Alright, so again, if we were to put all that math into quotations, it wouldn't run it because it would think we literally wanted to print that out, like literally print it out, but we don't. We just want it to run it as a math command, so we would not put the quotations. Now let's say we want to go ahead and type two things. So if we wanted to go ahead and type in my name is Kenny, we would go ahead and type in my name is Kenny, right? So typing in that is the same thing as doing this, console.writeLine, semicolon at the end as always, my name is, and then Kenny. Alright, so that plus sign there is just to separate two strings. It's going to add them in together, but when you want to do basically more than one thing. So this will just execute the same thing. As you can see here, my name is Kenny. Alright, good. Still, I hope you understand that. So basically, let's say we want to also make sure to add the space here, because if we don't, notice how there's no space in between. Again, it will literally print out. It won't assume, oh, you're missing a space there. No, it will literally print it out. So as you can see here, it will say my name is Kenny without a space bar. Alright, so next up, yeah, whatever. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and print. What else was going to do? Alright, let's say you wanted to go ahead and do a new line. So as you can see here, if we were to do console.write, it would just go ahead and type in this. So wrote something. Alright, so when we press start, wrote something, and then we were to run another console.write. Basically what I'm doing here, you'll see it here in a sec. As you can see here, it will write it all on the same line. Why? Because console.writeLine skips a new line after it's done, and console.write doesn't skip a line, it just continues where you left off. So console.writeLine, we wrote my name is Kenny, and then it goes to the next line down here, and then it wrote something, and it wrote something again, but we didn't tell it to write line, we just told it to write, so it doesn't skip a new line or anything. Now again, if we were just to if we wanted to skip a line, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and change this to just regularly write, and my name is Kenny. Alright, console.write, right, and then console.write. My sister's name is Patricia. Alright, so now when we press start, you can see how I wrote that all on the same line. Again, correct punctuation start is good. Correct grammar. So I'm sorry, I'm just that picky. So my name is Kenny, my sister's name is Patricia. Alright. Well, let's say we wanted to separate that. Well, we can just make this a console.writeLine, or we can just go ahead and do \n. And by backslash I mean not the regular slash. I'm gonna go ahead and find an image for you. So here we go. Image. Google. No, not Google. Google. Alright, there we go. Perfect. So forward slash. So it's basically, no, it's backslash. God damn it. Backslash on keyboard. Perfect. So it's basically just this thing right here. There. zoom in there. It's just that little slash right there. So that's literally right on top of your enter. So if you do that, that would just consider it a new line. Of course, this backslash is to escape anything. So it won't actually print out. I know how I said that. It will literally print it out. But no, it will skip that. That's the only thing that it will skip really. So if we would do n, backslash n, it would go ahead and just print a new line. So as you can see here, if we didn't have this, it would just go ahead and write it all on the same line because we did console.write. And then if we did have the backslash n, it would go ahead and skip a new line. Perfect, right? Whoa. Let's see. Again, if we wanted to write, whoa, nope, sorry. Okay, so if we wanted to write quotations in it, we would just put backslash, well, I meant this, sorry. If we wanted to put in quotations within that, well, like you know how we have to separate it with quotations? We want to put in quotations within the text. We would do backslash quotation. It would actually include that there. Alright, so anyways, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough for now. So in our next one, we'll be dealing with variables. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it helped. Make sure to leave some feedback in the comments below. And as always, thank you all for watching. Subscribe and bye.